They are experimenting with having people, like when they pick up something off the shelf and put it in their cart adds it to their list, and once you put an item in your cart, like when you get ready to walk out the store, it'll charge your credit card.
Oh, that is neat. I like that.
I know. I think that's fantastic. I get a little tickled too, but I have empathy. I do have empathy. See, I have socio-emotional skills.
Yeah.
One thing that's really exciting to me that I've had a lot of interest in and been reading on is IoT, the Internet of Things.
Yeah.
And you hear a lot of hype about smart home and smart home type products, and I'm waiting to get that smart refrigerator that keeps track of what I eat, when I eat it, to help me with my diet, but then also will know when I'm running out of stuff and will automatically order it and it shows up at my door. Just things like that are really fascinating.
Oh yeah, I would love that.
Samsung already has a refrigerator that, like, when you can enter your shopping list into the refrigerator. Like when you run out of stuff, you just make a little notation on the refrigerator door.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you go to the grocery store, you don't have to take your list with you. You can automatically connect to your refrigerator.
Wow.
And see your grocery list.
Look, I want that technology.
Have that one.
Look, I want that technology because I'm a foodie. I love my food. I want that technology and the one that Rodney mentioned, because I need to know that that's ordered. Because right now, I'll be honest, I am not a lazy guy. However, I do like the what they call the people who deliver the food. What are the names? Whatever, cart. Oh,
you're talking about Instacart for groceries.
Instacart. Yeah,
Instacart for the groceries. Yes.
Like, I totally use that. Like, I'm like, okay, I'm on my computer. I don't have any time. Let me get this list together.
Yes. But it's not just Instacart that does it. Kroger does it.
Yeah.
Tom Thumb does it. Safeway does it. Lots of grocery stores deliver groceries now. Just the other day, I looked up and Aldi's was doing it. I don't know if you guys have Aldi's where you are.
I know Whole Foods is doing it. They're doing it as well.
Huh?
Whole Foods.
Yeah. Whole Foods has been doing it for a long time. So, yeah,
Amazon.
We have all these. Huh?
Amazon.
Yes, Amazon does it too in certain zip codes. But we have all these great services, and people don't understand that a lot of those services are only possible through the very things that they say that sometimes they're afraid of. So, it's just a lack of understanding what those, it's a lack of understanding about what's behind the scenes and makes those services work.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, you look back at the computer revolution, I'm old enough to remember getting my first personal computer many years ago. And it,
What was it? What kind was it, Rodney?
I think it was one of those Tandy computers,
Yeah.
Tandy,
really?
I haven't heard that in a while.
Wow.
And so you look at, people thought computers were going to replace people back then, that just it's going to automate everything, get rid of everybody. But look how many jobs were created from that whole computer revolution. I mean, business analysts didn't exist.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to go back very far, and there's no such thing as a business analyst. So I think technology tends to create a lot of jobs too, and it doesn't just take away jobs.
No, it changes the nature of what it is, what a job is. Some jobs will go away. You're right, they will. Some jobs will go away, but then other jobs will be created, and I think that is where the work lies, right? A person who's done the same thing for 15 years will maybe have to learn how to do something else. So I don't think it's just incumbent upon business analysts to be adaptable and to always look to learn new things, but I think it's incumbent upon all of us to do the same thing.
Definitely.
Like, there's something that I'm really interested in. Like, I like to deal with emotional intelligence, right?
Emotional
Not the social,
intelligence.
not the
We're
social,
going with socio-emotional skills.
not the social and emotional. I'm talking about emotional intelligence, NLP.
Okay, strictly emotional intelligence. Okay.
Well, not strictly, but NLP, totally, different thing, but it helps you control yourself, So I'm like, because I have a little anxiety. I'll just put it out there, right? So
most of us who work in technology do. That's nothing new.
I mean, like literally, you have to. If you're BA, if you don't have anxiety, I want to know what you're taking because, like, I'm practicing on things like focusing on objects and stuff, and trying to calm myself and then redirecting, and it works for me. Like, but when it comes to technology, where do you see the NLP being?